It's day 6 of the 2025 Lather games, shaving in the rain, and as you can see on the radar, we did have some actual rain a little while ago, and I was really hoping to have some real rain while I'm out here. But we'll deal with the little sprinkles off the tree, and we'll shave with Chiseled Face Summer Storm, followed by, you can't have Petrichor unless you have some Aqua Velva, followed up by some Petrichor from Demeter, a composite brush from AKA Brushworks, crystal blades in the $1.95 adjustable. Mal, I call it Mal because Malthus the shaver encouraged me to use this a few years ago. I bought it and it was all messed up. It doesn't even open right, but it's got some patina, some raw brass showing, good stuff. So here we go. Water. Ideally, I would have held it out, but the rain filled it up. But, oh well. We'll go with 5 today. We'll make this a pretty wet lather today. Nah, not wet enough. I do have my little mirror here. There we go. That's one pass in the rain. Well, not really, but outside and good enough for the lather games. Have a great day. No, I lied. I'm going inside to have a shower anyway before I head to my semi-annual blood pressure check appointment, but we'll do it. Now we're finished.